Hey guys, today's question is sum of digits of string after convert. In this question, we are given with a string and an integer k, and the string contains only lowercase English letters. What we need to do, we will first convert the string, which contains only lowercase English letters, to their corresponding integer values. Like a will be replaced by 1, b will be replaced by 2, and z will be replaced by 26 according to their alphabetical order. And after that, we need to transform the integer by replacing it with the sum of its digits, and we have to repeat the second operation, this operation, total k times, and the value of k is given. So like in this example, you can see the given string is zbax and the value of k is 2. So first we will convert this zbax string to its corresponding digit string. So what will be the corresponding digits? So z will be replaced by 26 as it is the last character, b will be replaced by 2, a by 1, and x by 24. So the transformed integer value will look like 2, 6, 2, and 2, 4. After that, we need to perform addition of these digits one by one total k times. So the value of k is 2. So for the first transformation, 2, 6, 1, 2, 4, we will add all these correct values. So 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 will be equal to 17. And after that, as k is 2, so we need to do it twice. So in the second operation, 1 plus 7 is 8, and we will return our answer as 8. So now let's see what we can do. So it's also a simple simulation based problem. What we can simply do, we will just simply first convert the given string into into this number. So we can replace z by 20. We can replace z, we will replace z by 26, a by 1, b by 2, just simply by writing as the sky value of a. Like if we have a, so we will simply write a minus a plus 1. So a minus a plus 1 will give the corresponding, so any digits, if we subtract any digit by a and we add 1, so we will get the sky value from 1 to 26 to their corresponding value. Okay, after that, what we need to do, we will simply make this number, and we will perform k times this operation, where we will take out one by one all numbers and add them. Like we will take out 4, then 2, then 1, then 2, then 6, then 2, and add all of them up. That will add to 17, and then do this operation k times. But there is also one thing: if we convert this string like this and we convert it to a number using stui function, string to integer, what will happen? As the given constraints, in the given constraint, the length of string can be 100, and the value of k can be from 1 to 10. Okay, so like if the given string is like the length of s is 100, so what can happen if there are number like if the given string is like input string is like z z z z and total 99 times, what will happen if we will convert it into the corresponding number string? What will happen? The sky will, the value of z is 26, so it will look like 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, and so on. Total 100 times there will be 26. So as you can see, it will exceeds the limit of integer. Okay, it will exceed the limit of integer. So what we need to do, for the first iteration, for the first, like here zbax, when we convert it in the first time, we will not convert it to directly integer, we will convert it to a string only, and we will add these numbers first, and then we will convert it to, like zbx will be converted to this string doing the first operation. And for the first transformation operation, we will add these values from the string, and we will form a number, and then we will repeatedly add these numbers, like because as there are 2626 multiple times, so if we add these all values, it will never exceed the limit of integer. Okay, because adding, because this value is very large, but if you add 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6, it will, 2 plus 6 is 8, and there are 100 times 8, so it will reach 800 only. And if there is 9, it will also reach 900 only, so it will never exceed the limit of integer. Okay, so what we need to do, we will first simply convert it to a string, and for the first transformation we will use the string only, and after that we can simply do this like the method, like when we check the palindrome number or anything else, how we take a remainder and divide the string by 10, and one by one we take out the numbers. So we will do that operation total k times. Now let's code it up. So we need a sum to return, so let's take int sum I. Let's take a converted value also, that we will use for the transformation total k times. And initially, as I discussed, we have to take two strings. Okay, so in transformed, let's take an empty string and another, let's name it as value. Okay, after that we will simply convert our given string to its corresponding digit string. Okay, so I less than s dot size, I plus plus value equals to, we will convert the value to string. The value will be, as I discussed, si minus character a plus 1. Okay, and I will simply add these values to the transformed string, which will be our string formed after converting. So transformed plus equals to value only. Okay, now after this, as I discussed, for the first iteration we will use only this string to get our converted number. So let's run another loop. For I equals to 0, I less than the new string transform dot size I plus plus. Now simply add those numbers in the string. So convert plus equals to convert the string to convert the character number, we will just simply use -0 transform I -0. It will convert the character to the digit, so that we will add it into the integer value converted. And as the first iteration is completed, we will decrement the value of k by once. And now we have to repeat this procedure k times. So while k minus minus, we will do this operation simply just like how we check the palindrome number by forming a reverse the number of the given number. So let's do that. While converted is greater than 0, we will first take out the remainder as converted modulo 10. It will take out the first digit from the right side, and after that we have to add it into the current sum. So sum plus equals to remainder, and converted will be divided by 10. Sorry, divided equals to 10. And after that we also need to replace the converted by sum for the second iteration, total k iterations, and we can finally return sum or converted, any of them. Let's return converted as our answer. Let's try to run this. Let's submit this. Okay, so the code is accepted. Thank you for watching.